Alright, so I don't know, we're just gonna fight Filibuster. I know I recorded a video like 2 seconds ago about like the platinum ticket, but you know, kinda wanna play against the almighty Filibuster. Okay. Well, that's already off to a riveting start. Come on. Come on, Kid Papa. Thank you. Okay, we're kind of just kicking ass. Okay. Wait. Is that it? No. Bruh. Oh, there we go. I feel so bad. Bruh. Oh my god, that was probably the biggest massacre of all time. Holy shit. My units aren't even leveled either. My only over-leveled one is just Can. Who's at level 44? Talented. What the fuck? We defeated an all-powerful enemy. Yeah, he did a lot there. Thank you. Special Unit Filibuster Cat X has pledged its loyalty to your cat army. Claim it in the upgrade menu. Cool. Bruh. Wait, is that my 5,555th? Wait, hold on. Hold on. I need to see. Let's go! Alright, Filibuster. An ancient life form once annihilated by the power of Doge, but now restored with super glue. Omni Strike with 100% freeze versus tradeless. Filibuster Cat Y. Mystery Cat once thought lost in the universe. Updated his paint job with a more slimming color. Omni Strike. I mean, hey, at least I can use him in 4-star. I can use him in Procrastinator's Parade 4 stars. You know what? Yeah, fuck Uru in true form, fuck Mina true form. Filibuster is where, like, the real thing is. This game is great sometimes. Anyways, yeah, that's about it. See ya.